This is the start of the day.
Good morning, my detailing people. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have a horse trailer. Now, this is my first time doing a job as big as this. So I want you to join me in my journey as I try to get this cleaned up. Of course, something this size, I couldn't do it by myself. I had to bring the team along with me today. So you're gonna see me and my two part-time employees. You're gonna see us getting in on this horse trailer. So if you have ever dealt with something like this before, of this size, of this magnitude, go ahead and leave it in the comments below of how much you charge for a project of this size. But let me go ahead and show y'all, give y'all a walk around of what we're dealing with to start off with. All right, meet the crew. Go ahead and state your name.
Hi, I'm Marsha.
Hi, I'm Thomas.
All right, so we have a mattress. See what we're dealing with the counter. We got the cupboards. You got a lot of, I don't even know what you call this. But this is what we're dealing with. This is the living quarters. So you see this area? I'm gonna show you. This is what we're dealing with. I'm gonna show you the back. All right, and this is the back. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done back here. There's a lot of work to be done throughout. But this is sometimes what you get called out for. If you do a job like this, it's totally up to you. You can stick to cars or you can expand your horizon, but this is what we dealing with. I'm gonna give you a closer look of the end. And yep, this is the back part. So we do have a lot to deal with. We got the aluminum ceilings and sidings, the leather. So we got a lot to deal with. Let us go ahead and get started. Okay, so while decluttering, we ended up coming across the bathroom. we didn't even know that it had a bathroom. And this is the view of the bathroom. So we are going to tidy up this bathroom, but she will be charged accordingly. When you're in the business, you have to do that. You have to charge accordingly. You can't give all your time and effort away for nothing. So stick with us. All right, so to give you an update on how the inside is coming along, this is what we got done so far. So you see she's still working on the zinc area. Pretty much got up there pretty much clean, just vacuum, and that pretty much would be done up there. And once again, when you have incidents like this, mouse droppings and stuff like that, you have to charge accordingly, because this stuff can be hazardous to your health. So just make sure that you make sure it's worth your while. So go ahead and explain to us what you have done so far in here.
Alright, so I cleaned this area up already.
Oh yeah.
I cleaned this area up already.
Oh yeah.
Alright, go over here. I cleaned up there already.
Okay, this is covered up here.
Sink. Sink area.
Got the zinc. Y'all leave y'all comments down below. Let me know. Tell her how y'all think she did. Got up all up there. Done in the bathroom too? Alright, now this is just another update. We'll be back with y'all shortly. This is the inside back here. We went ahead, we scrubbed the floor, we scrubbed the walls. Now, this is the best that we could do with these rubber walls. If you have any product or you know anything that you can use to get this better than what it is, then put it in the comment section down below. I'm still learning and I'm still testing out different products. But we went ahead, cleaned all the stainless steel, went ahead, cleaned up these leather pads, and went ahead and conditioned them. We didn't put anything on these rubbers right here. And I'm gonna take you on the inside where the living quarters are. Now you remember what the living quarters was looking like. Now this is the finishing touches after we've done what we did. Of course. See, it's a whole lot better in here now. This is the bathroom that we found. Went ahead and cleaned this out also. Gave everything a nice, fresh redo. These are the cabinets that you have seen. Got all the cupboards all cleaned out. And that's it. Now, if y'all have ever had any type of jobs like this before, put them in the comment section below. Let us know what job it was and how much did you charge for that type of job. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. Catch y'all in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace.